Rashford.
United look. Oh,
Garnacho again. It's a lazy ball from him.
Yes.
And Enciso! Well, he really did hit that, didn't he?
He did. He's been watching videos of John Duran, I think. What an effort this is.
Mike Maignan had to retreat quickly back to his goal.
He did. Look at that.
Buonanotte. Almost still can't clear it.
This is just.
It's Enciso. It's a mess in there. It's Pirro. It's Enciso. It's 1-0 Brighton. And Manchester United with a horror show at the back.
Mightiest goal. Great finish. Let's not take away from that, but horrible defending. Oh, in fact, he didn't even. I'm not sure he hit it that well, to be honest. No space at all.
Enciso. He wants another one. Enciso! Oh my word! And Pirro was offside. What is going on here? Oh, and off they go again. Enciso. Enciso! He's on fire! Your defence is terrified.
That is absolutely unbelievable.
Here's Rashford. Could it have an immediate effect? Rashford. Oh! Onana had to push it away, and that's the first time he's really had to do anything.
It's the first save. Yeah, with him.
Olmo. Look how better this is.
No.
Rashford. Bruno Fernandes! What an impact this change has made. And Manchester United have pulled back a goal instantly.
It's incredible, isn't it? Same players, but different positions. And what a finish that is by Bruno. Absolutely.
Dovbyk has been in some fine form
He has been on
recently.
lead. Yes, he has.
Oh, and he might have an immediate chance here. Saw the keeper off his line. Went for it and almost struck it and almost introduced himself with delicious impertinence.
Oh.
Really, since then they haven't threatened at all, have they?
They haven't.
Lamptey. Here's Asprilla. And Asprilla. And then Estupinan! And that has put United right back to square one. And the Amex explodes once again.
Yeah, just too easy. Just a tap in. Yeah, like we say, United, they look good for those first 5-10 minutes after the break, but Brighton just so much better team.